on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I know I'm already gonna hear it. It's been a fucking minute, but please, I got explanations. Please, I got explanations. Your boy has been cooking on this beauty right here. If you guys actually paid a little bit at the beginning, you might kind of know what it is, but I am so fucking happy how this looks, and I'm excited. And now I had to make a freaking YouTube video about it. I know it's been a minute, guys, but like I said, I always gotta say it at the beginning of the video. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. I am trying my best, guys. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna try my best, but yeah, anyways, don't need to hear all that. You guys are here for what I have done to the car. So drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. I wanna freaking show you guys this freaking chef's kiss of a car, the way that it looks right now. Don't mind me, I just got out of the gym, wearing a lot of blue. Usually not really what I wear, but I just had to show you guys, pick up the camera, because I am so excited because I just got this done to the car. So let's go. Let's just go to a little spot, show you guys actually how it looks, tell you guys the breakdown, and hopefully you guys are excited as much as I am, because fuck, this thing looks disgusting. It just looks so fucking good. Let me go fucking show you guys, tell you guys a little bit more real quick. Let's go. I know you guys missed this POV right here. I know you guys missed this car, little Ruby. I'm telling you guys, I've been cooking, guys. I've been cooking. It's been a process, but finally got it now, and I'm gonna explain it all right now. But just know, guys, this thing boogies now. This thing freaking hooks. It is breaking necks. Here, let's get a little sound clip if we can get one. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. We are driving with one hand, so we gotta be cool. But guys, this thing fucking hugs, man. It just goes. So I'm just freaking excited to show you guys. It looks so freaking good. I'm gonna go to a spot right now, get you guys a better idea of kind of how it looks, the wheel setup that I went up with, because I think I'm gonna surprise a couple of you guys. So just excited, man. So let's go ahead and do that and show you guys how it looks. Right, you guys, the wait is over, the tires are slapped on, the drag setup is looking freaking beefy. I just came right here to a little spot. I don't want to show too much just yet, but kind of like a warehouse spot. Got some traffic over here, so don't mind that. I'm gonna try my best to hopefully give you guys somewhat of a good review of how the wheels look and everything. But man, I'm fucking excited, guys. This was a journey, right? And just seeing the car little by little progress and it get better and better. And right now, like, just the way that it looks, man, it just looks so freaking fire. Like, I love it, man. I love it. Got some great feedback from it so far from the boys. They like it. So I gotta show you guys. So enough talking. Here is a quick look, little review of my new drag pack for my 2018 Mustang GT. So gosh, look at that, boys. Jesus. Look at that meat. Woo. I don't know if the camera's doing this justice right now, guys, but in person, see if I get from like that angle. Dude, this thing looks so freaking wicked. Like, I love the way that it just turned out, guys. Oh my gosh. Look right there, that picture right there. Oh, it looks so fucking good. Guys, this is my new drag pack on my 2018 Mustang. What do you guys think? What do you guys fucking think? It's finally slapped on. And if you guys actually have been paying attention to those last videos that I posted, especially I think the most recent with the drag pack, these are different ones. These are not the VMS ones. Yeah, so like I mentioned, guys, these are actually a different drag pack setup. As you guys can see, this is clearly an SVE drag pack. The other one was the polished look VMSs. So basically, long story short, guys, is I never wanted those VMSs in the first place. They were nice, but it's just not really something I wanted. But I ran up a steal with one of my boys, and he literally just plugged it, and I was like, you know what, maybe I'll slap these on, sure. But found these other ones, found these on Facebook Marketplace, told this other guy, hey man, if you're down for a straight trade, let's do it. I love how these look. I just love the polished look and the black on the inside, and literally nobody has these. So it just gives it a way different look. It looks so freaking clean, and it's just a different drag setup. So I was like, yo, if you're down for a trade, let's do it. He liked the other one, I like this one, and then boom, straight trade. And I literally just went to go buy these Nittos from a local shop around here, 305 4517. So tires are literally brand spanking new. They still got all the little sticker of the sticker line and all that. Guys, when I tell you these things freaking hook, these hook, and I'm just so freaking ready for summer. It just looks so good. Look at that. That picture right there, so good. Let me know what you guys think, man. What do you guys think about this setup on Ruby? I think it looks just fucking sinister, guys. It looks sinister. And I'm gonna make sure that I get some rollers for you guys a little bit later right now with the boys and everything. Right now I'm just doing this super early because don't got a work appointment till later. So right now I was like, might as well just do a video, catch up with them. But yeah, guys, this is the new look on Ruby for summer. So she is she's ready to party, man. She's ready to get up and go. All I need to do is obviously flash that E85 tune, get ready for summer, and should be having some fun. But I wanted to show all you guys that don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok or any of that how it just looks, because it looks beautiful. And just in case if you guys were curious to see maybe other drag pack setups or how this one would look on your Mustang, here you freaking go. So
Alright, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, follow me on IG Ellis Jerry, on YouTube Ellis Jerry. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I might crash trying to record this dumbass. So if I do, I got proof I said it here.
we made it back home. Don't mind Ruby, got the hood popped open. Gonna be deep cleaning her a little bit right here, just trying to get the dust out of the engine bay. I do need to put some more coolant in. This thing is freaking low. It's not good. But anyways, yeah, so that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. Wanted to really just show you guys my my new drag setup on my car. I think it looks freaking beautiful, and I think Jerry, my boy, really cooked up his magic there and got some really good rollers for you guys of how the car looks, how the drag setup looks, how it sounds, all that. It's just a blast, man. I mean, if you're a car guy, you know how fun it is to just do stuff to your car, get parts in the mail and all that. So yeah, this is just me pretty much doing the outro. Just want to say, if you stuck along all the way to the end, that I appreciate it. Make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe. I got another video coming up soon on one of my boys just picked up a 5.0 himself, so we're coming after that video. I think you guys are gonna like it. It'll be a pretty cool, entertaining, funny video. So if you're into any of this type of content, drop a fat like, subscribe, join the fam, and let me know what you guys think about the drag setup. But thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing cleaned up a little bit, and peace.